For around the price of a high-end smartphone, you can buy what is effectively a flying smartphone camera. These drones, which aren't professional devices but are aimed at enthusiastic consumers, have built-in cameras that are roughly on par with the phones for photo and video quality. But of course, with a drone you can capture images and footage from a perspective you would never get from a smartphone. And their gimbals ensure video is smooth and stable. And these drones are very easy to fly, and many have sensors to help avoid crashing into things. Plus, some can even fly on autopilot while tracking a person and avoid obstacles at the same time. In this video, I am going to show you latest and the best drones that you can buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which drone did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying a gadget, you can ask me on Instagram. DJI Mini SE. DJI quietly released the Mini SE last year and it's the company's cheapest drone yet. It's sort of a cross between the original Mini and the Mini 2. And it is easiest to consider than Mini 2 with the cut down specification that match the original Mini for things like maximum video resolution, that is up to 2.7K, transmission distance up to 2 km and flight time up to 30 minutes. And it cost you around 260 pounds or $300 or around 25,000 Indian rupees. And it is a real bargain if you don't need to shoot 4K videos or raw photos. Aimed at first-time flyers, it's a competent drone which is easy to fly, but it doesn't have obstacle avoidance like some of the DJI's more expensive drones. It takes respectable video and photos, and it's light enough to be flown without registering in many countries. Buy this amazing drone for its affordable price, and it is lightweight. DJI Mavic Air 2. The Mavic Air 2 is still one of the best options under $800 or under 60,000 Indian rupees, and it's still one of the best consumer drones around. It's still widely available but may not be for much longer as it has been replaced by the new model 2S. Shooting 4K at 60fps is great as it means you can slow the footage in your video editor for a more cinematic look. And you can also shoot slow motion footage at 240fps in 1080p. Add the upgraded obstacle avoidance, remote control and flight time when compared to the original Mavic Air, and there is no contest. The Air 2 is superior in every way. It is not perfect due to the lack of obstacle sensors on the sides, but accept and work around its limitation and you will be extremely happy with it. The Air 2S is better, but it's more expensive and only those that understand 10-bit video will really benefit from the upgraded camera. Buy this amazing drone for it can shoot 4K video at 60fps and good obstacle avoidance. DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is a fantastic drone and still deserves its place in this list. The video quality is improved over the original Mavic Mini, and ability to shoot raw photos as well as auto exposure bracketing feature means it's a great tool for aerial photography as well. Add the upgraded motors which allow for better wind resistance, the significantly better controller and a massively better range, and the performance when there is lot of interference, and it is easily justifies the price hike. Even without the active track, which is the biggest disappointment, it's a great buy for those who are on a budget. Buy this amazing drone for its great video quality, no registration required in some countries. DJI Air 2S. The Air 2S is the best drone to buy if you're not worried about registration. It's not worth upgrading to if you already own a Mavic Air 2, But if you don't, then there are some good reasons to buy the Air 2s instead of the cheaper Air 2, such as the camera's bigger 1-inch sensor and extra sensors for avoiding obstacles. Some features are decidedly not for the consumers though. Only pros will be able to get the most out of the Air 2's 10-bit capabilities, and if you are only going to shoot in standard 8-bit video, you may not notice a huge difference in the quality at 4K resolution between the Air 2s and Mavic Air 2. It delivers better quality than the Air 2 in low light, but this is not when most people fly. Put simply, if you care about eking out those large drops in video quality and know what you're doing, the Air 2s is the obvious choice. Otherwise, you can go for the cheaper Air 2. If you don't have the first idea about how to work with a log video and would rather stick to the quick shots and the editor in the DJI's Fly app, you are probably better off saving your money and going with the Mavic Air 2. DJI Mini 3 Pro, overall the best drone that you can buy. DJI's latest drone weighs less than 250 grams, so you don't have to register it in some countries. But compared to previous models in this mini range, the Pro can detect and avoid obstacles very well. It can also track objects, which was one of the big drawbacks of the Mini 2. DJI has also bumped up the camera quality noticeably, and the Mini 3 Pro delivers surprisingly good footage in low light, a traditional weakness of tiny drones with small camera sensors. It will also shoot 4K video and up to 4K at 30 fps in HDR, and you can record in DCNL-like, which allows you to do your color correction later when editing the video. If you need to record in portrait, the camera can be rotated 90 degrees as well. Even when bought without a controller, the Mini 3 Pro is much more expensive than Mini 2. But if you want the extra features it offers and want the best quality from a sub 250 gram drone, this one is the best one. So these are the 5 amazing drones that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.